This Michigan GEICO policyholder just learned a very expensive lesson. And honestly, both sides do have a point here, but there are two important things to understand from this video about Michigan auto insurance. So let's watch some of it first.
And a driver came on our right side and just didn't yield to the roundabout and just hit us like right in the front of our car.
Inside, they had their 1.5-year-old daughter and 3-month-old son.
Now first, because of how the Michigan personal injury protection laws are written here, the PIP coverage laws, insurance companies will take resident relatives very seriously. Some companies will simply only ask for the number of resident relatives in the household. So in this family's case, this number would be 4. But then other companies like GEICO will require the names and ages of every resident relative.
My kids, they live with me, and they were in the car when the accident occurred in their car seats, but no one was hurt.
GEICO told them that might impact their coverage.
Yes, you signed a form that said you and your wife were the only people in your house, essentially.
It says all relatives, regardless of age, must be disclosed to GEICO.
And now the second part with this video, and this is very important. He does acknowledge that he signed a form stating that there are only 2 resident relatives in the household. And this can be extremely common with direct-to-consumer companies, or maybe you're answering questions online without actually working with somebody and walking through why the information that you're filling out actually matters. The system simply asks a question, but doesn't explain the consequences if that information is incorrect. So now in this situation, this doesn't necessarily mean the insurance company was right to deny the claim, but this is why this issue even came up in the first place. Michigan auto insurance is very specific, and small details like the number of resident relatives that you list in your household can have a huge impact on your coverage.
Here, Detroit, I'm Kyla Russell, Local 4.